Good morning everyone. So this is a point of view of my solar setup. So as you can see, this is my recent assembled solar setup. So this one is 2 years old, set up right here. There's 3 panels, many panels, including the small ones. And this is my first solar setup. Like it's almost 7 years. Then we'll see our grow watt inverter to see how much it harvests. I need to knock it first so that it can we can see the harvest right now. So as you can see, it's quite small harvest, but it's okay since then we'll see the panel board. Okay, so we have an instruction here on how to switch, and these were the list of these are my breakers with SPD. So it's just a small system actually. So this is the solar panel I have recently. This is my recent setup with the solar panel. So as you can see, then the sunlight. Okay, so it's not and this one is my 2-year-old solar setup. So as you can see, it's quite a bit many dust actually, because I randomly clean it or seldom. Then we have used batteries. So good day everyone, and have a nice day. This is my overview and review of my setup solar. I hope we can help our environment to have a clean and renewable energy given from God. And have a blessed day for us. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and please subscribe and like.